So here in this video we are just going to understand the strict declaration in PHP for function creation, and how to use that we will see in this example. So I'm just going to open the previous file, that is function argu.php, and what I have done, I have created a function over here, and this function add number will take two arguments, n1 and n2, and the value of n1 and n2 will get added to the third variable, say sum, and we have displayed that value. And here what we have done, we have called this function add number, and to this I have passed a value 21 as of type integer and 30.5 a value of type string. But in this case I am just going to getting here the result as 51.5 because it is not considering it as string, it is considering it as a decimal number and adding the numbers here. This is just because of the reason the PHP is loosely type language. It will automatically convert the language variables to its desired numbers. So what we are going to do here, we are going to use that we are making it restrict to take only the integer value, not to accept any other value here in this case. It doesn't matter if we will make these variable declare as say integer. If we make this variable as of type integer, say number 1 or type integer and number 2 type integer, and save the changes here, and again we see here in this case what it's going to be, the sum of 21 and 30 is equal to 50. So what it's again doing, it's not considering it as a string, but it's considering here in this case as of integer, not decimal number. So we just wanted to make a program in which it will throw some error that the argument passed is not of type integer, the type is something else. So in order to do that, what we have to declare, I'm just going to I have created another file here, and that is with the name of function strict.php, and here I'm just going to give you the demo how to use that. So in order to do that, the first line should be the declare strict only. So here you have to write the script less than, then you have to use the question mark, then you have to write PHP, and here you have to use your declare, and in the declare you have to use the type strict underscore type, and you have to set the value equal to 1 and put the semicolon here. So whenever we have to use the declare strict underscore type is equal to 1, this should be the first line in the program that you have to keep remember. And here I'm just going to create a function, say function, and the name of the function I'm putting here as say add number or add num, and to this I'm giving arguments, say int a comma int b. Okay, and here we go starting the parenthesis for this, for writing the body of this function. And what we are going to do, we are creating another variable, say sum, and this will add the value of variable a to the value of variable b, and it will assign the value to the variable sum. And here we are going to display the result, sum of variable a and variable b is equal to, and here I'm just giving the reference of the variable sum, and put the break, and at the end put the semicolon to terminate the sentence. So what we have done, we have declared the strict type equal to 1, that we want this function will take only integer value, not anything else. If we pass any other value, it will throw us a fatal error, and this is possible only in PHP version 7. So after declaring and creating the function, I have to call this function. In order to call this function, I have to give the name of the function, say add num, and this time I'm passing it as argument, say 20 comma I'm here passing the argument as say 5 days. So what is going to be happen here in this case? Let's see. And at the end, put the question mark and close the script. Save your changes and move back to PHP folder, and here we see the file function strict.php, and we got here error, uncalled type error, argument to pass to add number must be of type integer, string given, and this fatal error has been thrown over here. What will happen if we change this to a number? Say I'm just using 30 here in this case. Save the changes and refresh it, and here we go, the result. Okay, so what we have done, we have made this type as a strict only, that this argument or either this argument has to be taken as of type integer. What will happen if we pass this as of value decimal? Save your changes here again and refresh. It will again throw the same error here, just because of the reason we have given the value of type float or a double, that is decimal value. So that is not required here in this case. We have to pass only the integer argument, only then it will give us the desired result. Save your changes, here we go, refresh it, and we got the result. But what will happen if I will make this as string? In this case, it will throw us the same error again. Look at this. And what will happen if I make this line as say comment? So I'm just going to save this, and here we go, refresh this, and we got the result over here. So this is only just because of this line, that is declare strict underscore type is equal to 1. We got that we have to pass only the desired argument, that is this first argument also of type integer, and this argument is also of type integer. If we pass any value to this function, then it will throw us a fatal error. So we can also make it as of type float. What will happen if we make it as of type float? Float means it will take the argument, save the changes here, and here we go, refresh. Nothing is going to be happen over here. Okay, and what will happen if I pass this argument of type say string? Save the changes, here we go, refresh it, it throws the error here in this case. But it is there, you can put the integer data in the float, but you cannot put the float data in the integer. That you have to keep remember here in this case. What is going to do here, if we do as we have declared here, the second argument is of type float. If we are not giving the float value over here, if we say we set it value 30.9, save the changes, and here we go, refresh it, we got the desired result. And even in this case, if we put the value as a whole number integer, it doesn't affect our result, because we can set or we can put the integer value in the float, but we cannot put the float value into the integer. That you have to keep remember. So this is how we can use the strict type in PHP, and this is only possible in the PHP version 7. So that's all for now. See you in the next video.